At Avery Dennison, we understand that every label tells a story, and it's our job to ensure your story remains flawless, even under the toughest conditions.
Hello, I'm Vladimir Tulpin. I'm a market segment leader for premium packaging at Avery Dennison. Today, I would like to introduce you to our new Artisan Rustique material, which is a replacement to our old Rustique Blanc material. This new material combines the best out of the two product ranges. First of all, it has the unique color of the Rustique Blanc material, and secondly, it has excellent wet opacity of Artisan portfolio. Let me show you the difference. What you can see here is two identical wine bottles with two label sets on each. Those label sets looks identical when the label is dry, but we expose those two bottles to the ice bucket, so they spent 2 hours in a bucket with ice. And here you can see the difference. On this bottle, you see the loss of color, the loss of opacity. This is our old Rustique Blanc material. On this bottle, you can see the good color, the good opacity. This is our new Artisan Rustique material. Artisan Rustique makes sure your labels stay premium no matter of the environments. At Avery Dennison, we're committing to solve your challenges with our innovative solutions. Artisan Rustique is just one of the examples how we can meet and hopefully exceed your expectations.
To learn more about our testing process and how we can help your brand, visit us at label.averydennison.com.